The molding that we have on the house currently, it's, by the way, 1890, so it's 133 years old. It does not exist anymore. We tried Home Depot, McCoy's, Idea Lumber, you name it. We came here to Building Solutions and we're gonna manufacture our own molding that's gonna be very similar to this one. Let's have a look. We got a few molding knives and we found one that is exactly the same pattern, but it's just ½ inch shorter. So it's gonna be 1/4 on each side shorter, the new one we're creating. If we wanted to make our own knife, it would cost over $1,000 for about 40 feet that we need. So we're gonna stick to the one they have. This week we started working on the electrical part. We have the washer, dryer, over-counter outlets. We have the wine cooler, over-counter outlets, and the lights in the ceiling. And we also installed all the ties needed for high wind protection. The molding that's gonna continue into the new part of the house. We pick it up from the workshop and it's ready to be installed next week. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for next video.